Hi everyone! Today, I will be showing you on how to use our best-selling Glossy Waterproof Sticker Paper for inkjet. In our next video, we will be covering both types, the Glossy Waterproof Sticker Paper and the Matte Waterproof Sticker Paper. But for today's video, we will be focusing on the Glossy Waterproof Sticker Paper. If you're planning to make your own stickers at home, whether they're die-cut stickers, kiss-cut stickers, product labels, planner stickers, or branding stickers, this video is for you. These are premium A4 size waterproof vinyl adhesive sticker papers, available in both glossy and matte finishes. For today's video, I'll show you how to use and print on the Glossy Waterproof Sticker Paper. These papers are versatile, durable, and perfect for any project. The Glossy Waterproof Sticker Paper has a shiny and vibrant finish that's ideal for colored designs. This sticker paper is vinyl-based, meaning it's made of plastic rather than traditional paper, making it more durable. Unlike paper-based sticker materials, which tear easily and absorbs liquid, this material is tear-resistant and waterproof because liquid cannot seep into the vinyl surface. Can you write and print on it? Yes, you can both write and print on the sticker papers. Use a permanent marker or oil-based pens for writing, as water-based pens may not work well on the waterproof surface. For printing, these papers are compatible with inkjet printers, which delivered the best results. While these can also work with laser printers, it requires significant tweaking on settings, so we recommend sticking with the inkjet printers for ease of use. Since we'll be using an inkjet printer, it's worth noting that most inkjet printers use dye inks, which are water-soluble and may fade over time. To prolong the life of your stickers, we highly recommend applying a cold laminate on top. Cold laminating not only adds scratch resistance and waterproofing, but also enhances the sticker's finish with a polished effect. This is especially useful for laptop stickers, water bottle stickers, and other long-lasting applications. For planner stickers or disposable packaging stickers, cold lamination is optional. If you'd like to learn more about cold laminating, check out our other videos on our channel. Now, let's do a test print using the Glossy Waterproof Sticker Paper. I'll also walk you through the recommended printer settings. So for the paper type, set your printer to glossy photo paper or equivalent. On the print quality, choose best or high quality for the best output. These settings are crucial for achieving vibrant, professional-looking prints. After printing, once your stickers are printed, let them dry for 1 to 3 minutes before touching the surface. This prevents smudging and ensures the ink is fully set. At this point, you can also apply a cold laminate for added protection and to enhance the finish. Do's and don'ts for storage. Do not store the paper near sunlight or in humid areas. Always store the sticker papers in their original plastic packaging and place them inside a cabinet or away from direct sunlight. Direct sunlight can cause the ink colors to evaporate over time because inkjet inks are water-soluble. Cutting your stickers. Now, we're ready to cut, depending on your preference. You can choose to cut your stickers using scissors for manual cutting or using a cutting machine like Cricut or Silhouette for precise cuts. If you are getting started, I recommend trying our 5 sheets or 10 sheets pack, which is perfect for testing and small projects. If you love these papers, we also offer bulk options of 25, 50, and 100 sheets. Do check out our website, NanaPaperStudio.com for Singapore orders or our Etsy store, NanaPaperStudio for worldwide shipping. I hope this demo helps you get started with your sticker making journey. Don't forget to check out NanaPaperStudio for the sticker papers and more crafting supplies. If you create your own stickers, do tag us on social media. We'd love to see your designs. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with your fellow DIY enthusiasts. Until next time, happy crafting!